What if one warm, golden drink before bed could quietly change how your body feels when you wake up? No fancy detox, no extreme diet, just a simple habit people have used for generations. Stick around, because what turmeric milk does inside your body over time is not what most people expect. Turmeric milk, often called golden milk, has been around for hundreds of years. Long before supplements and wellness trends, people use this drink to relax, heal, and support the body naturally. Today, it's making a big comeback, especially among people looking for simple ways to feel better without overcomplicating their routine. At first glance, turmeric milk seems basic. It's just milk with turmeric, sometimes with black pepper or a little honey. But when you drink it daily, especially at night, your body starts responding in small but meaningful ways. Some effects show up quickly, others build slowly over time. In this video, we're breaking down exactly what happens if you drink turmeric milk every day. We'll talk about sleep, joints, digestion, immunity, skin, and even mood. No wild promises, just real, easy-to-understand benefits that many people notice when they stay consistent. And near the end, there's one effect that explains why so many people swear by this drink and never stop once they start. Let's start with the first thing most people notice. When you drink turmeric milk daily, especially before bed, many people report better sleep. Warm milk itself helps the body relax, and turmeric adds a calming effect. Together, they signal to your body that it's time to slow down. This doesn't knock you out like sleep meds. Instead, it helps you fall asleep more easily and sleep more deeply. People often say they wake up feeling more rested, not groggy or heavy. Now let's talk about inflammation. Turmeric contains a natural compound called curcumin, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. In simple terms, it helps calm irritation inside the body. When you drink turmeric milk daily, this calming effect builds over time. People with joint stiffness, back discomfort, or general body aches often notice they feel looser and more comfortable, especially in the morning. This is why turmeric milk is popular among people who exercise, walk a lot, or live an active lifestyle. Next up is digestion. Drinking turmeric milk daily can help soothe your digestive system. Turmeric supports bile production, which helps break down fats and improves digestion. Warm milk also helps relax the stomach and intestines. Many people notice less bloating, fewer stomach discomforts, and smoother digestion after a few weeks. Some even say their gut feels calmer and more predictable, which is a big deal if you've ever dealt with digestive issues. Now let's talk about immunity. Turmeric has natural antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Drinking turmeric milk regularly may help your body defend itself better against everyday germs. It doesn't mean you'll never get sick, but it may help your immune system respond more efficiently. This is one reason people often drink turmeric milk during cold and flu season. Over time, many people say they get sick less often or recover faster when they do catch something. Next, let's talk about muscles and recovery. If you work out, walk a lot, or live an active lifestyle, turmeric milk can support muscle recovery. Its anti-inflammatory effects may help reduce soreness after physical activity. Drinking it at night gives your body time to recover while you sleep. Some people notice less stiffness after workouts and better flexibility in the morning. It's not a replacement for stretching or good nutrition, but it can be a helpful addition. Now let's move to something many people don't expect: skin. Drinking turmeric milk daily may support healthier-looking skin. Turmeric helps fight inflammation and oxidative stress, which are linked to acne, redness, and dullness. Milk provides hydration and nutrients that support skin repair. Over time, some people notice their skin looks clearer, calmer, and more even-toned. It's not an overnight fix, but consistency matters here. Let's talk about stress and mood. Turmeric milk has a comforting effect on the nervous system. The warmth combined with turmeric's calming effect helps signal relaxation. Many people describe it as a mental wind-down ritual. Drinking it daily may help reduce feelings of stress and tension, especially when paired with a calming bedtime routine. This can improve not just sleep, but overall mood and emotional balance. Now let's talk about joints again, because this is a big one. As we age, joints naturally experience more wear and tear. Drinking turmeric milk daily may help slow down discomfort related to aging joints. Many older adults say they feel more mobile and less stiff. This is why turmeric milk is often recommended as a nightly habit for long-term joint support. It's gentle, natural, and easy to stick with. Next, let's talk about blood sugar balance. Turmeric may help improve how your body handles sugar when used consistently and in small amounts. This doesn't mean turmeric milk replaces medical care, but it explains why some people notice more stable energy levels. Using unsweetened milk or plant-based milk with minimal added sugar is important here. Too much sugar can cancel out the benefits. Now let's talk about heart health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties also support heart health. Chronic inflammation plays a role in heart problems, and calming that inflammation matters over time. Milk provides calcium and vitamin D, which are important for bones. Turmeric helps reduce inflammation that can affect bone comfort. Together, they create a supportive combination. This makes turmeric milk especially popular among adults looking to support bone strength as they age. Now, let's talk about how to make turmeric milk the right way. The basic recipe is simple. Warm 1 cup of milk, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper to help absorption, stir well and drink warm. You can use dairy milk, almond milk, oat milk, or coconut milk. Many people also add a small amount of honey for taste, or a pinch of cinnamon for extra warmth. Timing matters too. Most people drink turmeric milk at night, about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This timing supports relaxation and recovery. Some people drink it in the morning, but nighttime is where most people notice the biggest benefits. Now let's talk about consistency. Drinking turmeric milk once or twice won't change much. The benefits come when you drink it daily for weeks or months. Think of it as a long-term habit, not a quick fix. Now let's address safety. Turmeric milk is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderate amounts. But if you're pregnant, on medication, or have gallbladder issues, it's smart to talk to a healthcare professional first. Now let's build toward the most surprising effect. Here's the big reveal that makes turmeric milk such a powerful daily habit. Drinking turmeric milk daily creates a nightly pause that helps your body repair itself more efficiently. It's not just the ingredients, it's the ritual, the warmth, the consistency, the signal to your body that the day is done and recovery can begin. This simple habit improves sleep quality, reduces inflammation, supports digestion, calms the nervous system all at once. Over time, those small improvements stack up. You wake up feeling better, you move easier, you feel calmer, and that changes how you show up every day. That's why people who stick with turmeric milk often say they feel better overall without being able to point to just one thing. It supports the whole system. So let's sum it up. Drinking turmeric milk daily may help improve sleep, reduce joint and muscle discomfort, support digestion, boost immunity, calm stress, support skin health, and improve overall recovery. It's simple, affordable, and easy to make part of your routine. The key is quality and consistency. Use good turmeric, add black pepper, keep sugar low, drink it regularly. If you've never tried turmeric milk, give it a week and see how you feel. Pay attention to your sleep, your joints, and your energy in the morning. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried turmeric milk, or would you be willing to add it to your nightly routine? Drop a comment and tell me how you'd make yours. If this video helped, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And if you want more simple, natural health habits that actually work, make sure to subscribe. And here's your question for today. What's one nighttime habit you could improve to feel better tomorrow morning? Let me know in the comments.